All glories to Amrita and Dhanvantari. So I just had some thoughts about my sickness. And may the Supreme Divine Healers bless us with real, integral, loving self-alignment. May this help us become clearer and arise from our hypocrisy. So, my sickness is like that. So I'm in a chronic condition. I have so many mental and bodily dysfunctions, a history, and it's getting always worse. Now I meet this person who has such interesting insights, such mind-expanding consciousness, wisdom, which makes complete sense. But because of my sickness, I cannot adequately repay him, even in the slightest way, for the valuable, priceless, healing, love alignment information that he provides. Still, I show some appreciation and I take sumptuously of his valuable time. And then I go out and continue to do what I've been doing all the time, just in a tiny polished way, and think, oh yes, I'm trying my level best to become healthy, to follow the good divine guidelines which are in alignment with universal law, with my divine nature, according to the body I have graciously received from the Supreme. And I'm doing the very best. But no, actually it is a complete hypocrisy, because I pretend, a part of my mental system pretends that I'm interested in change. Maybe there is even a part who is interested in change, but because I'm not willing to look at the pain that is underneath, because I don't even have the trust that it's possible to look at it. I have a well-meaning protector who keeps me from looking at the pain and resolving the pain. Thus, I prefer to believe in the well-meaning protector who tells me that I can do, or that I should do, or must do those things which actually keep me in the sickness. Because there are parts in my mental system, in my subtle body, that believe that I deserve to be sick, that I don't deserve to be healthy, that I should suffer, that I should be punished. Thus, I have to punish myself by doing the things that keep me in the sickness. And thus I go on and on, like a parasite, taking, cheating myself, unable to accept the reality that is actually the predicament, that because of my unresolved pain, my protectors have to find for me philosophies and lifestyles which are not in harmony with reality, which are delusions, but which keep me in this cycle of denial. And thus, my sickness goes on and on, while I believe that I am on the right path. Isn't that wonderful? And even if I get presented with the truth in a most loving and kind way, I will still not be able to accept it, because I'm completely identified with the protectors which keep me from dealing with the exiled pains. Who and which just need a broader and finer love understanding. So thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, you're most welcome. And please check out the description of the video with all the links to our works and websites, etc. Please like and share for the benefit of all. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.